I always get asked, Mickey, why are you such a master? I said, I just don't know. It just happened natural. Do you know what I mean? What it is many years of practice. Practice always makes perfect. My mate says that he's been somewhere this morning and they says, why does he never ever film me cock-ups? Everything I film, always remember, hey! Pushing my pipe in. Always remember, everything is live. I don't, in this line, you think what we can do is we film this 50 times? No, I film it as I'm doing it and then I post it. I don't edit my videos as you see. It is what it is. And when you've done it over 1,000 times, it's just like natural, it's like palm in your hand, do you know what I mean? Can anybody read my palm? Can they tell me if I'm going to be coming into some sponduli because I need some, you know what I mean? Because I'm skint. I'm sick and tired of living like a poor man. But if you do some graft, you're going to get some money, but just not getting enough, do you know what I mean? Bish, bash, bosh. Don't forget to like, share and follow. What you got to do is, in life, what you got to do is you got to know what you're going to use and what you're not going to use. Now, I could use ply for this if I wanted. The reason why I'm not using ply, it is not because it's not good. Ply, we tiled on ply for nearly 15 years before we swapped to jackerboard. And we never had an issue. So don't let anybody tell you any other words. The only reason I'm using jackerboard is it's easy. Because see this, I get this knife like this, yeah? Then I just go down there like that. And that. Like so. And then I put a line in it like that. And I can cut it. That's the reason I'm using jackerboard. But the other thing is, one thing what I will say about jackerboard is, this is a thermal board and a sound installation board. So with your marine ply, you're not getting that, and that is a benefit from it. But that, don't let people kid you that it's this, that and other. It's not, do you know what I mean? There's not wrong with ply, there's not wrong with jackerboard. It depends which situation you're in and it depends what you're doing. But you got to know what you're doing first in the first place. And if you don't know what you're doing, just get on to Mickey's videos and I will teach you. Do you know what I mean? Because there's no gimmicks with me. It is what it is. And that's it. Bish, bash, bosh. Don't forget to like, share and follow. And then what we're doing is, can you see how this tap comes out? That's how far out it comes, yeah? But what you don't want to do is, on a bath panel, if ever possible, not everything in life is possible, you know what I mean? But if it is possible, what you want to be doing is, see that thing you got, that's 15 mil that. No, I know it's 15 mil, because I built this. And I built to the mill. The problem is that there, if you put a tile on there, the tile's going to come in front of that. Then you're going to have a lip all the way down, and you don't want that. You want the tile to go underneath and for it to sit flush or wherever it sits there. So when water comes off, it's not going behind the tile, it's going in front of the tile and down onto the floor. Now there's no such thing as no water coming out of this bath because it's impossible. So you will always have, whenever you get your leg out or you get out of the bath, you're going to have water running down it. You don't want a line at the top of it. So that there, so what we're going to do now is, we're just going to cut that section out. And then we'll put that board back. That board will sit flat. And then we'll put the tile over it. And it will look beautiful. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Stop looking at my ass as well. You know what I mean? I'm not that way inclined, lads. Only for your lass. Right, so I stick my board down. I don't rely on the foam, I don't rely on adhesive. What I rely on is screws, washers and the foam. Now this foam will stick boards to this floor better than any adhesive on the planet of the earth. And I know that for the fact, do you know what I mean? So I like to fill all the gaps in. You ain't got long working with this. Remember, don't just get to the foam and use foam. This is a PU foam. Educate yourself. educate how you need to work with it. Because if you don't educate yourself with it, you can't just pick it up and think you can just use it. I make this look easy, it's not easy. It's just because I've had many practice. And then for the numpties out there, I've done my demonstration for you. Because what you got to think is, see this checkerboard, what is it made of? You know what I mean, lads? What is it made of? Oh, nice. Nice. Down. You don't want to get this on your hands because it's not very nice. Beautiful. And it's as tight as that. Now what you want to do is just make sure it's all flat, yeah? Especially if you're not fast. If you're not fast, walk around on it, make sure it's all flat, because once this stuff compacts it, don't foam out, yeah? And then, what you want to do, this is what's fixing it down. Not a Ken claw. Not a Ken claw, lads. I like to do these every 200. I guarantee this job, this life of this board for life. This is how confident I am. For life. Do you know what I mean? None of these, providing the house don't move or it falls down. Do you know what I mean? But this board, I guarantee it will never move. Ever. And as you've been watching my videos for the last 5 years, I only deal in facts, not fiction. Screw it down like that, put plenty in. If it feels loose, just bang another one in. If it feels loose again, bang another one in. Bang as many as you want in. You know what I mean? It's not like charity week where we're going to scrimp just because these washers are 100 quid a washer. You're going to scrimp, do you know what I mean? Get them banged in, yeah? Bish bash bosh. Don't forget to like, share and follow.